I'm George Bellwood, I'm at Cardiff University and I run Virtus Tech. And what we do is a customised virtual reality touring for property sector, the hospitality sector and retail sectors. With the customised virtual reality, what we do is we go into other businesses. So for example, the property sector, if you're selling a house or student accommodation, we would go into the property, film the property, and then what we do is we go away and we apply it to our software, which is customised virtual reality, where they can add hotspots around the house to provide more information to their clients or customers. Cardiff University has helped me out massively. They were a really good role model for me, so whenever I needed help, they were always there for me. There were lecturers and professors there when I needed advice on any specific markets that I needed to understand. The Welsh Government, Business Wales especially, as being part of the Accelerated Growth Programme on Business Wales, they have helped me out massively, supporting me. They've given us a once a month one-to-one with a consultant, a professional consultant. We go down to the Tramshed Tech down at Cardiff. It's such a great little community that they provide for us, and you can just literally ask for advice and help whenever you need it, but the Welsh Government will always be there to help you out.